This was good. It was good. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. In today's video we will be doing a review and taste test. I do have some goodies here. I received this package from my friends over at Protein Milkshake, so I'm so excited to get into these. Protein Milkshake is a company that was created to bring you the best protein supplements on your health and fitness journey. As you guys know, I am on my weight loss journey currently. So they offer these shakes which are naturally sweetened grass-fed protein, so I mean you cannot go wrong with that. They also do have the nutritional values on all of their packages, which I love. These can be used as a meal replacement for recovery after a workout. You can also use this to create pancakes, different desserts. These are just a healthier option, and like I said, these are supposed to give you that little touch of sweetness that you may be craving without the horrible aspects of all the sugar. So let's go ahead and see which ones they sent me today. All right, so the first one we have up is the chocolate, and this is 22 grams, 110 calories, and 4 grams of carbs. And this is the packaging. It is so cute, guys, like super cute. And it states that it's the healthiest ingredients on earth. You deserve the best. That's why Protein Milkshake's chocolate organic whey protein powder is made with high purity organic all natural ingredients to give you the satisfaction of enjoying a sweet protein source that satisfies your cravings and supports your health goals. Like, yes, that's what you need, right? So we have chocolate. We also have cupcake batter. So this is cupcake batter. This is the same, 22 grams, 110 calories. This one's actually 3 grams of carbs. Next we have chocolate mousse, which is this one. These are so cute. This one is 22 grams of protein, 110 calories, and 4 grams of carbs. All right, we also have peanut butter cup. Okay. Now that I can get into. So this one is 22 grams of protein, 120 calories, and 4 grams of carbs. And this is the packaging. Super cute. Look at these little peanut butter cups over here. Like, these are so cute, y'all. And last but not least, strawberry shortcake. Now I think this might be the one I'm going to try today. And this one is 22 grams of protein, 110 calories, and 3 grams of carbs. Look at this. Like, this is so cute. The packaging is everything. Like, it's just so cute, so girly, catering to women. Yes, as they should. And again, these are all of the ones that they sent me. Thank you guys over at Protein Milkshake. Let's go ahead and get into it. So yes, I made my mind up. We're gonna go with the strawberry shortcake today. So it states that it's 100% free of artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors. So Protein Milkshake is a complete and clean protein source you can feel good about. So I love that. I love what they represent. It says to blend this entire package of strawberry shortcake with 1 cup of unsweetened plant milk or water. So since we're on a weight loss journey, we're gonna go with the water. So I already have my water here, nice and cold. If you missed my video regarding this, I will leave that linked above. So our let's see, I think I have about 8 ounces of water in here and 1 package. So let's go ahead and get this blended up and let's see what it tastes like. It smells really good. It smells just like strawberry shortcake. And again, this is the packaging. Super cute. Okay, so it is done blending. Moment of truth. First off, I'm loving the consistency. I know it's hard to say that because I use a blender cup, but some proteins out there are very clumpy, chalky. They leave a nasty aftertaste. So this is my second organic protein that I'm trying. The first ones were a hit. Leaving the link above. So let's try this one out. Wow. Super creamy. This is really good. I don't know if you guys have a shaker cup or a blender cup. But using a blender cup with this, it just gives you that creamy consistency. It is not too sweet, but sweet enough to curb those cravings, girl. So yes, this is really good. Actually, this comes in perfect timing. I'm about to do a workout really quick, and I'm going to put this in the fridge so that I can drink it afterwards. And I do have extra samples, so let me know down below in the comments if you would like to try any of these. I will definitely send them to you. And again, we have the peanut butter cup, cupcake batter, chocolate, and chocolate mousse. So yes, I'm gonna try out next probably the chocolate, since I love chocolate, and I always have a craving for chocolate. So this would be perfect to curb those cravings while also being conscious about my weight loss. So I'm excited for these. Thank you to my friends over at Protein Milkshake. I will leave their site linked down in the description below, as well as their Instagram page. Definitely check out that link and order you some of these products. They also have different bundle deals according to your needs, so definitely check them out. Highly recommend, stamp of approval. So yes. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to check the link down in the description below so that you can check out Protein Milkshake for yourself. I will have a code down there for you guys. Also, be sure to leave me a comment to let me know if you've tried them before, if you plan on trying them, what you're using for your meal replacements. Let your girl know. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!